has time for content creation these days? Between work, family, and trying to have a social life, it feels like there are never enough hours in the day. Between trying to keep up with my dance moves and remembering what I did during the commercial break, it's a miracle I even find time to film my show. And I know I'm not alone in this. We're all juggling a million things at once. But seriously, folks, content creation is important, especially in this digital age. It's how we connect, share ideas, and build our brands. Whether you're running a business or just trying to stay relevant on social media, content is king. Whether you're a business owner, a social media influencer, or just someone who likes to share funny cat videos with the world, guilty, you need to be creating content that people actually want to see. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. You need to be creating content that people actually want to see. But how do you find the time to create high-quality content consistently? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we create content. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence is changing the game when it comes to content creation, making it easier and faster than ever before. Imagine having a tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, edit videos, and even schedule your posts. And no, I'm not talking about robots stealing our jobs. I'm talking about tools that can help us streamline our workflow and create amazing content without pulling our hair out. These tools are designed to assist us, not replace us. I'm talking about tools that can help us streamline our workflow and create amazing content without pulling our hair out. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help you out. So sit back, relax, and let me introduce you to the wonderful world of AI-powered content creation tools. These tools can help you save time, reduce stress, and produce high-quality content that your audience will love. You can thank me later. Trust me, once you start using these tools, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. So let's dive in and explore the future of content creation together. First up, let's talk about video creation. In today's digital age, video content is everywhere. From social media platforms to corporate presentations, videos have become an essential medium for communication and storytelling. Video is king these days, but editing videos can be a real pain in the you-know-what. The process can be time-consuming, complicated, and often frustrating, especially for those who are not tech-savvy. The intricate timelines, the endless cuts, and the constant adjustments can make anyone want to pull their hair out. Luckily, there are AI tools that can help. These innovative tools are designed to simplify the video creation process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can now create stunning videos without breaking a sweat. One of my favorites is Lumen 5. This AI-powered video creation tool is perfect for transforming your ideas into engaging videos. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to share their story, Lumen 5 has got you covered. This tool is so easy to use, even my grandma could make a viral video with it, and believe me, she's tried. The intuitive interface and straightforward process make it accessible to users of all ages and skill levels. You just give it some text, like a blog post or even just a few bullet points, and it will automatically create a video for you, complete with music, images, and even voiceover. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. It's like magic, but with less glitter and smoke. The results are impressive and the time saved is invaluable. You can focus on your content while Lumen 5 handles the heavy lifting. Another great option is InVideo. This tool offers a bit more flexibility and advanced features, making it ideal for those who want to take their video editing skills to the next level. This tool is a little more advanced than Lumen 5, but it still has a user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a professional editor to create high-quality videos with InVideo. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. It comes with a library of templates and stock footage, or you can upload your own. This extensive library ensures that you have all the resources you need to create visually stunning videos. You can also add text, music, and transitions to create professional-looking videos in minutes. The customization options are vast, allowing you to tailor your videos to your specific needs and preferences. It's so easy, even I can use it. With tools like Lumen 5 and InVideo, video creation has never been more accessible or enjoyable. So why not give them a try and see how they can transform your video projects? Now let's talk about captions. Writing good captions can be tough. You want something that's catchy, engaging, and maybe even a little bit funny. But who has time to come up with that kind of stuff when you're busy living your best life? Enter AI caption writers. These tools can help you generate captions that are tailored to your brand and your audience. One of my favorite tools is copy.ai. This tool is great for generating all sorts of content, including captions, blog posts, and even website copy. You just give it a few keywords and it will spit out a bunch of different options for you to choose from. Another great option is Jasper. This tool is specifically designed for writing captions, and it does a great job of coming up with creative and engaging copy. It even has a built-in emoji library, so you can add some personality to your captions. Because who doesn't love a good emoji? Okay, let's talk about social media. Love it or hate it, social media is a necessary evil these days. But managing multiple social media accounts can be a full-time job. Who has time for that? Certainly not me. That's where social media management tools come in. These tools can help you schedule posts, track your analytics, and even engage with your followers. One of my favorite tools is Hootsuite. This tool is great for managing multiple accounts in one place. You can schedule posts in advance, track your mentions, and even see how your posts are performing. Another great option is Buffer. This tool is similar to Hootsuite, but it has a more user-friendly interface. It also has some great features for analyzing your social media performance, so you can see what's working and what's not, because who wants to waste time on social media posts that nobody sees? My AI assistant is smarter than yours. Just kidding, maybe. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but does this stuff really work? And the answer is yes! I've been using AI tools for content creation for a while now, and I'm honestly amazed at how much they've helped me. I'm able to create more content in less time, and the quality of my content has actually improved. For example, I used Lumen 5 to create a short video promoting my latest stand-up special. I just plugged in the transcript of my routine, and Lumen 5 did the rest. It created a video that was engaging, informative, and actually pretty funny, if I do say so myself. I've also been using copy.ai to help me write captions for my Instagram posts. I used to spend hours trying to come up with the perfect caption, but now I just let copy.ai do the work for me. And you know what? My engagement has actually gone up since I started using it. So it's not just me who thinks the captions are good, but it's not just about creating content faster. It's also about the creative process itself. AI tools have this incredible ability to spark new ideas and help me think outside the box. For instance, I often use tools like MindMeister to brainstorm and organize my thoughts. It's like having a digital assistant that never runs out of energy or creativity. And let's not forget about voice-to-text tools. I can dictate my ideas while I'm on the go, and the AI transcribes everything perfectly. It's a game changer for someone who's always on the move. Another amazing aspect is the ability to break language barriers. With AI translation tools, I can communicate with a global audience effortlessly. It's opened up so many new opportunities for collaboration and outreach. And let's talk about data analysis. AI tools can sift through mountains of data in seconds, providing insights that would take a human hours, if not days, to uncover. This has been invaluable for understanding my audience and tailoring my content to their preferences. Scheduling and time management have also become a breeze. Tools like Trello and Asana help me keep track of my tasks and deadlines, ensuring that I stay on top of my game without feeling overwhelmed. Even financial management has been simplified. AI-driven budgeting tools help me keep track of my expenses and income, making sure that I'm financially healthy while focusing on my creative endeavors. So, when I say my AI assistant is smarter than yours, I'm only half joking. These tools have truly transformed the way I work and live, making me more efficient, creative, and connected than ever before. And the best part? I get to spend more time doing what I love and less time worrying about the mundane tasks. It's a win-win situation. So, if you haven't already, give these AI tools a try. You might just find that they're the secret ingredient you've been missing in your creative process. After all, in this fast-paced world, who wouldn't want a little extra help from a super smart assistant? So go ahead, embrace the future, and let your AI assistant take you to new heights. You won't regret it. Experiment. It's more fun than a barrel of monkeys. The best way to find the right AI tools for you is to experiment. Try out a few different tools and see which ones you like best. Don't be afraid to play around with the settings and features. The more you experiment, the more you'll get out of these tools. And who knows, you might even have some fun along the way. Just imagine the possibilities. You could create a viral video that gets millions of views, You could write a caption that gets thousands of likes. You could even become the next big social media influencer. Okay, maybe that last one is a stretch, but you never know. AI, your new content creation BFF. So there you have it, folks. AI is changing the game when it comes to content creation. With the help of these amazing tools, you can create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to use them. These tools are designed for everyone, from beginners to experts. So what are you waiting for? Jump on the AI bandwagon and start creating some amazing content. Ready, set, create. I hope this essay has inspired you to give AI content creation tools a try. I promise you won't regret it. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own AI-powered content creation success story with the world. And when that happens, don't forget to give me a shout out. Bonus round. As a bonus, here are a few more AI tools that you might find helpful. Grammarly. This tool can help you with your grammar and spelling, because nobody's perfect, not even me. Hemingway Editor. This tool can help you make your writing clearer and more concise, because sometimes less is more. Yoast SEO. This tool can help you optimize your content for search engines, because who doesn't want to be at the top of the Google search results? Now go forth and create.